This was leftover paint from my live pour that I just did. And I've got a rainbow of colors in it, but I'm not sure what's left in the cup. There's definitely black and white on the bottom. I split it halfway down the middle, white and black, and then all the colors, so who knows what we're going to see here. I'm going to dribble a little bit of this hot pink color that I love around the edge. And just a little bit of black. I have no idea how much paint's going to come out. And I put white on the canvas. And the colors have OGX in them, a tiny drop of OGX in all the colors. And I've got a couple of bubbles that didn't pop, so I'm just going to make sure they're popped. All right. You ready? I figured it might be dark because of the black, which it is, but I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes. I'm going to just empty out what's in my cups here and there. Like I said, all of this had OGX in it, and everything is mixed 1-to-1 ratio with Owatrol Easy Flow, which is a European company. I'm just going to dribble these colors around here. Can't hurt. Got a little bit of red, yellow, and orange in here. This is like a periwinkle purple color. These have been sitting a while, so they're a little bit on the thicker side. This is like a phthalo green. So I mixed up a big cup of the hot pink color, which I'm going to save that. Put a little bit of hot pink right here. Of course the stick's in the way, but I actually like that streak of orange and yellow through there. So I'm going to take that same cup, put a little red, orange, yellow, maybe a drop of hot pink, and a pinch of white. Stir it around a bit. Some peacock teal color, and don't drop it in the paint. And some yellow. Give that a little swish. Let's see what I can do with this. Okay, I'm done. That was fun. Something different. It was just leftover paint. So, there's that one. Got some cool parts on it. That blue area there with the orange beside it is my favorite part. And the green streak.